Hello kids, so in previous class we had seen Vidur's secret. Yes, so in the Vidur's secret normally we had gone with the senses, similes, metaphors. So what are these similes and metaphors? Similes and metaphors are used to compare the things. Yes, so while comparing the things with similes normally we use the words as like and so. As, like and so are the words which we use in the similes to compare the things. But in metaphors generally we compare without using any other comparative thing, like he is something. So describing a person with any other thing. So while comparing with similes and metaphors, we had gone with the senses also. So what are the senses normally we have? The eyes to see, the nose to smell, the tongue to taste, ears to hear, and our skin to feel. So these are the senses. Now basing on all this, today we are going to write a journal entry. So what is a journal entry? Previously we had written a journal entry. Okay. In the journal entry, what do we write mostly? So we take the opinions. Our opinion. What do we have? Our opinion basing on something. And even our experience, basing on our experience we had observed around the surroundings and everything. What did we experience? Maybe the day, because journal entry we are writing something about ourselves, our opinions, our experience, even our thoughts. What are we thinking about something? Our thought about the other person traits, or about other person life, or what relation do we have with the other person. Normally we had written in 4 paragraphs. This journal entry is written in 4 paragraphs. What does the first paragraph contain? Normally everything. While you are writing, the first paragraph will be always introduction. The introduction. And what is the second one? Second one is the about other thing, what you are writing. So here we thought about opinion. What opinion do you have about other person or thing or something? Your experience, what you are experiencing with that, and what is your thought telling, and regarding the person, regarding the thing, what are your thoughts? Basing on this, your paragraph must be there. So while doing that, while using your opinions, your experiences and your thought, so you are going to give introduction about yourself and also about the person, any person or thing, anything, whatever you want to explain about. So journal entry, you are writing about yourself in a diary, just like a diary, an event which happened in your life. You are going to write it and save it for yourself so that you can read it later. So if at that you are going to write a journal entry. So while writing a journal entry, normally we keep in mind our feelings, our thoughts and our experience and our opinion. So what did we feel? Even feeling is also the one which we keep it in your mind. Basing on our feelings, opinions, experience and thought, we write the journal entry, just first giving an introduction. So after completion of the introduction, about anything, the person or the thing's life, basing on that you want to write. Now if you are thinking, so here think in the sense animal or something. Normally what you like, even about a car, about a bike or something what you really like to have. Then comes the traits of that. Traits means the character. So what is that character? Means the bike go very fast, so it's very beautiful, it's very wonderful. So this happened with this. If you take about an animal, how the animal, so basing on that animal, what is its character, how is it performing. So the thoughts, your feelings and experiences, everything you must use it. Then comes the relation between you and that one. So the relation. So what relation do you have with the character you are explaining? So basing on the relation you have with the character, you want to explain. So you are going to write a journal entry basing on your feelings, basing on your opinions, your experience and thought in 4 paragraphs. Using some similes, metaphors and details from the senses. Means I had seen this, it is like. So you are using the both. I saw a dog which is like a Or I saw a panther cub which is like a dog. So you are comparing a panther with a dog and you are also showing your senses here. I saw, that means you are using a sense like see. I saw a panther cub which is like a dog. So you explained the simile also. So here senses and similes both are covered. In the same way you can use one more metaphor. So like that you want to give the introduction, the person and the thing's life, the traits of that person, thing or the character, and your relation, how you feel, what is your thought when you are there with that character, how you are feeling. Basing on that, you want to write your journal entry. So once again remember, today we want to write a journal entry describing the people, settings and events. Maybe the people, the settings around and also the events by using the similes, metaphors and details from the senses. So this you want to write. So whatever the settings are there, if you come to the Vidur's secret only, so how the people are there. So how many are there? Vidur is there, father is there, mother is there, even the characters like the cook, Buchi and even the panther cub. You want to compare each and everything. How they are there, what they are there. So basing on that, and also the setting of the story is in a tea estate. How is the tea estate? You can compare it with the village. When comparing the tea estate with the cities, the roads are not good. Yes. So how the roads are there, how the estate is there. What about the night? How the sounds are there? You can compare it with the sounds which we hear in our city. So you can compare anything, the settings with the settings in your place. Means the story which is there in your Vidur's secret, that story you may compare with your own life, thinking that you are experiencing, you are staying there as a Vidur in the tea estate. So you want to write the 4 paragraphs and also you want to use your similes, metaphors and details from the sentence saying that I saw this, I tasted, I smelt, I felt. So your feelings, everything you want to write. So basing on this, and also we are going to complete S4 because it is just basing on the story you are writing in your S3. You are going to check it whether it is right or wrong when you are writing in your S4. So let us see that. So you want to imagine that you are Vidur. So if you take page number 32, you want to imagine that you are Vidur and you want to write a journal entry about the reuniting the mother panther. So their mother is united with the panther cub. So how Vidur united? Think that you are there in place of Vidur. How is your feeling and your experience, your thought? You want to imagine, which increases your imaginative power. So try to imagine and complete your journal entry totally. Full page is there. Try to write 4 paragraphs giving 4 lines gap. Means for each and every paragraph leave 1 line so that you can write it perfectly. And basing on this one, you want to write your review. If you observe the review once, if you read, you can understand what you want to. Does the entry clearly tell about the character, setting and events? That means in your first paragraph, mostly you want to write about the character, setting and events of the story. Now, all the similes and metaphors work fine. Means I told previously, the similes or metaphors which you are comparing, they must be proper. You can't compare in a wrong way. And do the details that describe the scene and events appeal to the senses? Means the senses like what did you see, what did you touch, what did you feel. So basing on these senses, whether you are using the senses must be very clear. So whether you are using or not using is also the one you want to observe. And are there any problems with spelling, grammar or punctuation? So check that you won't write any spelling mistake. So if any spelling mistake is there, just underline it and say that you had written some mistake. Whatever your mistake is there, you want to write in the right side column. So is the journal entry interesting to read? So your story, whether you had written, whatever you had written, whether it is interesting or boring to read. If you want, you can give it to your parents and ask them to read and tell their opinion on your journal entry story, and complete it and send it through WhatsApp. Okay children, thank you.